In today's tutorial, we're gonna teach you how to buy and sell on the HankoX trading platform. As you guys know, there are 3 different order types that you can place: market order, stops, and limits. Today, we're gonna go ahead and utilize all of them. So first and foremost, whatever asset that you wanna trade, you can see right here. And for this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and just select a random chart, and we're on Euro USD. Now, as you guys can see here to the right of your trading platform, now depending on whether or not you're buying and selling, you will also see sell stop and sell limit. These are the different types of order types. For the first one, we're gonna actually go ahead and sell market order. And this is where you're gonna be able to go ahead and choose your position size, AKA your lot size. For this tutorial, we're just gonna go ahead and go to a 0.5, and you can do so by pressing the up arrow, or you can actually just erase it and type it. Alrighty, so if I wanted to go ahead and just place a sell order right now, I can just go ahead and do so by doing that here. And as you guys can see here, your order has been placed. And if you look at the chart, you can actually see that our position is open with our profit values. Right now, we are down $2.50 on this position. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and place a buy, you would just select buy and do the same exact thing here. And as you guys can see here, we now have a buy order open. If you wanted to go ahead and close these out, which I would do so right now, you can click X, and as you guys can see right here, your positions have been closed. The next order types that we want to go ahead and talk about are sell stops and buy stops. If you're not familiar with a buy stop or sell stop is, essentially, if I wanted to go ahead and place a buy stop, you guys can look to the left of your chart and see this green line, and this is dictating where your entry price will be. Now, as you guys can see here, this red line shows where price is right now. And if we wanted to go ahead and enter the market up here, we can do so by clicking this button right here. As you guys can see right here, this is not entering you into any specific trade, but if price reaches this area, then you will go ahead and be in a buy. And you can do the same thing vice versa when it comes to sells. If you wanted to go ahead and cancel the order, you can do so by clicking there, clicking canceling order. And if you wanted to also add a stop loss, you can do so by clicking add stop loss. The next order type that we're gonna discuss are buy limits and sell limits. And as you guys can see right here, by selecting sell limit, you can see this red line right here. If price goes up to this area right here, put me into a sell. And you can actually move the line just like this and click sell. And as you guys can see right here, if price reaches this number here, you will go ahead and enter a sell. And you can do the same thing if you wanted to go ahead and do a buy limit. You can put this line right here, buy order. And now if price moves down to this level, you will be entered into a buy.